Now, some of the questions here are asking about coatings and ceilings, and Roof Maxx isn't either of those, correct?
No. Coatings are elastomeric coatings. You do see people put them on shingles in some markets. It's not suggested. It'll void a manufacturer's warranty. Our product does not void the manufacturer's warranty. We're not a coating, we're a penetrant. The reason coatings aren't safe is if you put a coating on an asphalt shingle, you lower the permeability, and the vapor drive moisture from within that attic trying to get out of the structure gets trapped, and you'll create wood rot and mold. So we actually did permeability testing for that reason, and our shingles, treated shingles with Roof Maxx, are just as permeable as non-treated shingles.